Hi, Dr. J from Cornerstone Health here with some tips for quick stretches for you busy professionals out there. I like to start off with a seated spinal twist. You just take hold of your chair, grab hold of the top and back on the bottom, get your back up nice and straight, turn your head, turn your waist. Try to actively use your back to twist to one side and use your hands to help. And I like to hold it here for a good 5 deep, slow breaths. And then do the same on the other side. Next, we have the seated cat-cow, in which you just slump forward. This is one time I'm actually going to encourage you to slump forward. Slump forward, pull yourself in nice and tight, and then extend back the other way, your neck and the entire spine. Hold it for a few seconds at each extreme. Forward. And back. Next we have the levator stretch. That's when you just look over to one side, use your hand, grab the back of your head, and pull your nose toward your armpit. Hold that for a good 5 deep, slow breaths. And then repeat on the other side. That tends to pair well with the upper trapezius stretch, in which you just keep the arm back here like so. Keep your elbow nice and back. Gently pull your ear to your shoulder. You might even want to hold onto your chair so that your shoulder doesn't hike up. And again, 5 deep, slow breaths. Those last 2 stretches I don't recommend doing before lunchtime. Necks could be pretty moody like teenagers. They don't like to be bothered before noon. So stick with these other stretches first. Do the levator stretch and the upper trap stretch after lunch. Another one, more of an exercise than a stretch, the Y to W. Arms up in a Y formation right here. Pull your arms down, keep your elbows and hands back behind you to bring them down. And up. Let's come down on the inhale. Give yourself a double chin while you're at it too, just for an added challenge. And then up on the exhale. 5 reps of those. Actually, if you could do that one, 5 reps of those for every half hour that you're stuck in a chair, that'd be a great way to just refresh your body and wake up a bit. Active stretch for the wrists. There's lots of ways to bend back like this. Those tend to be a bit much for the wrists until like the end of the day. I like to save these for when your arms are done working for the day, but to help spread out the relaxation so that you're not getting your arms too relaxed and then ask them to go back into the working type some more. I like this one. Just keep your elbows at your sides. Turn your palms outward as far as you can, like you're trying to point your thumbs down to the floor. And at the same time, extend your wrists and fingers as much as you can. Keep trying to turn outward and then relax. 5 of those. And relax. Finally, I like to do the Brugger's exercise. That's my favorite one of all. Elbows at your sides, like a Tyrannosaurus, pointed forward like so. You're going to pull your hands apart, keep your elbows at your sides. Bring your shoulder blades together and down, and give yourself a double chin. And it's all on the inhale. Relax on the exhale. Next inhale. And relax on the exhale. 5 of those per seated hour too. You could do those with the Y to W or alternate, either way. It's just a great way to loosen up the tension in your back and help get some added oxygen to help you wake you up. This is Dr. J with your Cornerstone tip for the day.